Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD, gold US dollar. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis. And do not forget to check out the Forex analysis playlist on my channel for the analysis of other pairs. So let's get started. So this is the 4 hour chart of gold US dollar in front of us right now. In my earlier videos or in my previous videos, I clearly told you not to go for buy when market was standing at the support level, and you can see that as expected market failed to hold the price above the support level. Market broke the support and you can see that market is trading here right now. Though market was standing at support level, but still I recommended not to go for buy order because if we just zoom in, okay, and if I just ask you, okay, do you think that this is a good position to buy? Okay, forget about support and all. Okay, just tell me one thing. Just try to understand the market emotion here. Okay, if we just focus on this particular portion of the chart, okay, do you think that this is a good position to buy? Do you think that buyers are dominating here? Buyers will have the strength to take the price upward? No, this is the market psychology. Okay, we all know the thumb rule of the market: buy low, sell high, buy at support, sell at resistance. But still 90% traders lose money in the market, and the main reason is that they do not try to understand the market psychology. We just follow the thumb rule of the markets. We do not focus on understanding the market psychology, and this is the main reason why traders lose money. And this was the main reason I told you not to buy at this particular level. And I clearly told that if market takes support at 1790 level, then you can go for a small buy, but not buy here. And right now you can see that market has taken support at 1790 level and it is trading above it. So what should be our strategy then? The question is, what should be a strategy? So you can see that I have got lines here, okay, few lines here. I have removed the previous resistance. Okay. So we can see that this pink line or red line is no longer valid. Okay, this line is no more required. Okay, so I'm just removing this line, and right now you can see that I have got a new line here which is acting as a dynamic resistance for the market. Now I request you to draw this line in your trading platform. So you can see that whenever market is going up, it is facing resistance from this trend line. So there is a good possibility that in case market starts going up from here, then again it will face resistance and it will come down. And if we look at the present setup of the chart here, then there is a good possibility that after some time market will fall or market will cross this level also, 1790 level. If market breaks this support level, then the next support level for the market is 1750. This is the next support for the market. The main reason why I'm telling you that market may break this support level is whenever market tests a level for quite some time, you can see that, okay, market is coming down, taking support, going up, taking support, going up, taking support, going up. Whenever this becomes very common in the market, then market usually breaks the support. I have seen that, okay, whenever market tests the level too much, then the level gets weakened. Okay, the level loses its strength. Whether it is support or resistance does not matter. If you see that market is testing a level too much, whether it is support or resistance, the level loses its strength, and as a result, at one point of time, market breaks it. And there is a possibility that market may break the support level in the coming days, because we see market has been testing this level for quite some time, and slowly this level is also losing its strength. So if market goes up from here, and while reversing, if market breaks the support also, then this will not be a surprise, because the market has tested this level for quite some time and slowly this level is losing its strength. So therefore, what should be a strategy? And so your strategy can be, do not go for buy here. Okay, do not go for buy at this level again. You have already made good money at 1790 level, so forget about the level now. Your new level will be, okay, just draw this trend line in your charting platform, let the market go up. So when the market will be going up and hit the resistance here, then just observe the price. If you find market reversing from here, then you can short the market. You can short the market. This will be your first trading opportunity, and you can exit by 1790 level. Okay. On the other hand, second trading opportunity is wait for the market to cross this particular level, 1790 level. So in case market breaks the support level or crosses the 1790 level, then wait for 4 hours at least, because market has been trading above this level for quite some time. So we need confirmation whether the support has become the resistance or not. If you see that after 4 to 6 hours market is trading below this level, then you'll get the confirmation that support has become resistance, and it is ideal to short the market right now. So you can short the market at this trend line, and you can also short the market below this support level. So these are the two trading opportunities according to me in the chart of gold USD right now. This is my analysis. Your analysis may vary, and you can also share it in the comment section. I would love to learn from you. So this is it. Hopefully you've understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care and see ya again tomorrow.